My final project is setting up a Radius server. So first we're going to go to the PC, which is where our Radius server is at. Want to go into the settings up here, and then keep track of our secret key here. And we're going to make sure that our IP address is set to the correct IP address. In this case, this is the IP address of the wired connection. And then make sure that you're using the newer 1812 and 1813 authorization and accounting ports. So that's all set there. And now we're going to set up a new user. So you want to go to the top where it says add, and then type in the username and password for the user. In this case, we're going to do, for the username, we'll do Radius admin, and then password, we'll do Radius pass. Okay, it's saying that we've added a new user. So then after that's done, we've configured our Radius server. So now we're going to go over to our wireless LAN controller interface, the IP address, and then we're going to first add the Radius server. So to do that, we'll go to security, Radius Authentication, then click new, and we're going to enter the IP address of this Radius server. So it's 10.10.40.1, and the shared secret from earlier was WinRadius. And with that done, we'll do apply, and then we've added that server. And then we're going to do the same thing for the accounting. So go to the left again, Radius accounting, new, and then do the same thing. Then the accounting servers is added, and then just to verify that we can connect to the WinRadius server, we're going to ping it. So 10.10.40.1. As you can see, we have pinged successfully. So now we're going to apply that to one of our wireless LANs. So to do that, we'll go to the top where it says wireless LAN, and then we're going to edit an existing one. We'll do employee 4. Then make sure that it's enabled, and then go through security. And then for layer 2 security, you want to do WPA2. Make sure that we have a WPA2 policy with AES enabled. And then since we are using Radius, we're going to be doing 802.1x. So enable that, and then go to AAA servers. And then right here, we're going to, under server 1, choose the IP address of the Radius server we just added. And since we only have one, we only have one option. And then make sure that both of these checkboxes are enabled. And then after all that's done, hit apply, and then the Radius server will be applied to the wireless LAN. So now we're going to test it out by connecting to employee 4 on the laptop. And then it's asking for our Radius username and password. Alright, now it's saying here, it didn't say, now it said that it can't connect because of outdated security protocols, but we're going to check our Radius server really quick. And as you can see, it did get a request to authenticate from Radius admin, but because our client does not support older protocols such as EAP-MD5, the Radius server will automatically cancel authentication, which is why we couldn't connect through it. So although we can't connect to the wireless LAN, we at least are able to communicate to the Radius server, indicating that our Radius server is active.